All right, this is our topic 8.7, example 1 try it problem. It says Zachary made a vertical slice that was parallel to the left and right faces of a bread roll. What shape is the cross section and what are its dimensions? So this is a very rectangular bread roll, but if we slice it right through the middle, like the green plane is through this rectangular prism, then that interior shape is going to be a rectangle right there. So that's going to be our rectangle right in the middle. And if I draw it out here, or you could also use one of these shapes and make it really nice and pretty. Let's see. There we go. So I could also make this into the rectangle, right? And erase all of my drawing. So that can be the rectangle that is on the interior. Now the length on the bottom is the same length as the bottom of this rectangle, which ends up being 4 inches. So the dimensions of the length are 4 inches. And then it says the other dimensions, so we're looking at the width. Now this line right here, the length of that line doesn't have anything to do with that rectangle. So this length right here, this one, is the same length as this side of the rectangular prism. So that's going to be our 2 inches. So the shape of the cross section is a rectangle and the dimensions are a length of 4 inches and a width of 2 inches.